Alright guys, here we are in the A-frame, making some cuts on the table saw. These are for our blocking, where the rafters meet the flooring. We had some styrofoam in there that was scrapped from the subflooring insulation temporarily. As you can see, I pounded those guys in already. 14.5-inch block. They're also scrapped from the job. Just kind of get it in place and then pound it in with the hammer. But having this jackery to power the table saw is awesome. Definitely speeding up the job over here. Making that angle cut real easy.